Yes, Mark Henry, Deacons, Horseman family, bringing good times back. Cheers. Feeling like a plate of gumbo, corned beef in a six-pack. Yeah, it's feeling good. Yeah. Check it.
When we remember in the times when everything used to be alright, we gotta bring back good times. Now everybody feel the vibe, everybody good with no flow, and let the good times take control.
I'm taking it back like Marty McFly. Edie and the damage in my partner in crime. Pick me up around 10, school started at 9. We was up to no good half of the time. Just boys being boys, way before YouTube. I had my game chalked up like a pool cue.
Everybody say hi. I know, I think I did already.